Hello wonderful viewers and welcome back to another No Reserve Classics video. My name is Misak and today I have a paint meter in my hand to showcase the originality of this 1968 Shelby GT500 KR. The king of the road is present in the room with us, and what is even more present is the reading all across this car, which, starting off on this driver fender, we have a 3.5 so far on this reading. And I think all around you're going to be finding even thinner numbers from 1 to 5. But let's go ahead and test that out with the passenger side fender over here. Showcase the passenger reading. We do have a, wow, we went from a 1.7 now to a 0.9. Let me get just one more reading on this passenger side. Wow, 1.0 on the dot. That means that this car is super original and very clean. Even just on the passenger side, let's go ahead and stand ourselves up and showcase the originality of the roof, which we're getting a reading of 3.2. Let's showcase more of the originality on the passenger door here, which we have a reading of 3.3. So far so good all across the board, and I think let's go ahead and head back and showcase what we have as far as original numbers on the rear quarter. Starting off on top, we have a reading of 4.9. Not bad for up top, but in case you don't like that number of 4.9 or 5 and above, let's go ahead and check out the side over here, which we have a reading of 4.0, a much thinner number on the side of this rear quarter. Everything, as you see, is original and how it was from 1968, and we'll be preserving that with a paint protection film on this car very soon. Will it hold everything and keep this beautiful 68 Shelby preserved? We'll find out in the next video, but for now, let's showcase more of the originality on the driver's side this time. And our first reading on the rear driver quarter panel is a 3.1. Very good so far on the originality, folks, and let's end and conclude things with the driver's side door. So let's go ahead, bend down here, and get one last reading on this original Survivor paint, which we have a beautiful reading of 2.7. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we just did an entire read on this 1968 Shelby GT500 KR, showcasing the originality of the paint. And stay tuned for the next video because we'll be doing a paint protection film on this one-of-a-kind car.